Hello gardeners, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to top dress fruit trees for maximum growth and health. Top dressing is an essential practice that can significantly improve the overall health and productivity of your fruit trees. So let's dive right in. Top dressing is the process of adding a layer of organic material such as compost or well-rotted manure around the base of your fruit trees. This helps to improve soil structure, retain moisture, and provide essential nutrients for your trees. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your trees thrive and produce abundant harvest. The best time to top dress your fruit trees is during their dormant season. This is typically late fall. This allows the organic matter to break down and release nutrients into the soil before the growing season begins. What you require to carry out this project: well-rotted manure, a spade or a garden fork, a bucket or a wheelbarrow to deliver the manure. Now let's go through the top dressing process step by step. First of all, you need to clear the area from any weeds or debris around the base of the plant. This is 3 to 4 feet around the plant. Using a garden fork or spade, you loosen the soil around the base of the plant, but you should take care not to damage the roots. Spread 2 to 3 inches layer of compost around the plant, but don't put it on the trunk as it might lead to rot. The next thing that you need to do is now to water the plant to ensure the manure is well distributed. That's basically it, folks, and I'll see you on the next one.